If you are looking to get the cheapest hosting from HostingGrid, then you have to watch this video, because in this video I will be revealing two of the finest coupon codes through which you can get amazing discounts. So what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on the link in the description, you will be entitled to a page like this, where you can see HostingGrid deal running right now. Then you can see HostingGrid reviews on different websites. Then you can see their three most popular plan: premium, business, and cloud startup. So you can select any plan according to your preference. All of the plans have almost everything included. You can see that you're getting SSD storage, NVMe storage, hosting a website builder, free domain, free automatic website migration, free email, free SSL, daily or weekly backup, amazing features. If you select the see all the features, you're going to see that you're also getting managed WordPress, hosting a website builder, amazing security features, 99.9% uptime guarantee, 24/7 support, and the best is all that all of the plans have 30 days money back guarantee. And then they have data centers all around in the world. They provide their own website solution builder. They provide maximized website speed with their lightweight web server technology, 24/7 support, advanced security features. They also provide you free migration in case if you're coming from another hosting company. Now, to get the cheapest hosting option, you have to select this plan, because you are saving the most amount of money over here. Simply select the choose plan with this. But again, you can select any plan, because these two coupon codes are going to work with any plan. Make sure that you have clicked on the link in the description. Now choose your billing period. HostingGrid offer various billing periods, so you can select any according to your preference. Once you choose your billing period, I recommend you to offer the 48 months, because you are saving the most amount of money over here. And then you can create your account at. So now you can write your email ID over here. Once you write your email ID over here, you can or you can synchronize with the Google or Facebook account, and then select your payment method. HostingGrid offer various payment methods, so you can select any according to your preference. Then write your billing details over here, and then over here select they have a coupon code and write this coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video, along with a special discount link. You can see the price. Once you select the apply button on this, you can see that a price which was already discounted got a further discount. There is another coupon code as well to get the cheapest hosting from hosting, and that is HI10. You can simply select the apply with this one as well, and you can see that the price got a further discount. So if you're looking to get the cheapest hosting from HostingGrid, then make sure to use a special discount link and these two coupon codes to get amazing discounts.